Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically collect research papers from arXiv, the world's largest open access repository for scientific preprints. And we're going to use the arXiv scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. If you do academic research, literature reviews, or want to track cutting-edge work in machine learning, physics, math, or AI, this scraper saves you hours of manual browsing. The arXiv scraper extracts complete paper data directly from the arXiv.org. That includes titles, authors, abstracts, categories, submission dates, licenses, and direct PDF links. Instead of opening dozens of tabs and copying data by hand, you get everything structured in a clean dataset. So, how does it work? There's two ways you can use this scraper. One, you can use a URL from a search you've already done. For example, if I want to search for astrophysics papers, simply hit go and then copy the URL and paste it in here and hit go. Alternatively, you can use search filters. By inserting a search query, for example, by astrophysics, we'll get a similar result, and we can narrow it down by section. We can choose what we sort for and the subcategory. We can also choose if we want to show abstracts. But remember, you can only choose one way, so if we go with the search filters, we'll have to erase this URL. Next, we just choose the maximum number of items. Once we're ready, we can hit start to run the actor once, or you can schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get the results in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one paper, and for every paper you'll get the arXiv ID, title and full abstract, complete author list, submission and last updated dates, and direct links to the abstract page in PDF. You can also download the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, used for analysis and data workflows. arXiv publishes thousands of new papers every week. This scraper lets you stay ahead without manually checking the site, copying abstracts, or downloading PDFs one by one. You can automate research discovery, monitor trends, and keep your datasets up to date with minimal effort. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.